Approximately 700 people in Monroe County have overdosed since the start of the year. This according to the latest numbers on the county's opioid overdose dashboard. More than 70 of those were labeled potentially fatal. Isabel Garcia talked to one local organization helping to build bridges with folks in the community facing opioid use disorder and those working to combat the fentanyl crisis.
I'm standing outside of Trillium Health's Harm Reduction Services Center off of Delavan Street, one of several organizations and locations that is helping to connect people who are battling addiction with the resources they need.
Pervasive, incredibly prevalent. We see daily individuals coming in who did not know that they may have fentanyl present in their substance.
Julie Ritzler-Schelling has been working with Trillium Health for more than a decade. She tells me it's more well known fentanyl is in most, if not all, of the illicit drug supply in Rochester. The synthetic opioid, approved by the FDA for pain relief use and anesthetic, is also about 100 times more potent than morphine, 50 times that of heroin.
I think what we're seeing now is the scientific result of increased tolerance for individuals. So the more fentanyl that's present in the drug supply, the higher the tolerance of the individual, and the more fentanyl the individual will need, not to feel high, but to feel normal and to not be sick.
Trillium Health provides a range of services for a range of needs, from a clinic located at 259 Monroe Ave, which includes wraparound supportive care, a pediatric center on Science Parkway, the Delavan Street Harm Reduction site for those actively using, and the Mocha Center on West Main.
Sometimes that's connecting to our mobile access clinic or to primary care or specialty care. Sometimes it's listening to their story for the day. So it's about connection and restoring dignity and really sort of meeting the human where the human is before we ask how we can help.
As mentioned, addiction touches every person across every corner. As some of you know, many of you don't, my mother actually passed away from an accidental overdose back in 2019. Every week we will be sharing stories about services and the crisis and how you can also take a part in making a difference. For now, reporting in Rochester, Isabel Garcia, News 8.
All right, Isabel, thank you as always for sharing your story and the story of so many others in our community. Trillium Health can be reached, by the way, at 545-7200. We also have the links for the various Trillium locations in this article right now, rochesterfirst.com. Just click under the fentanyl crisis page.